Hello guys, thank you so much for tuning in to TupikeAfrikan YouTube channel. So on today's episode, we'll be making this moist and very sweet marble cake at the comfort of our home. And this is actually the best version of marble cake or any type of cake that I've ever done or ever eaten all my life, and I'm not lying. So let's get into it. The first ingredient is cocoa, flour, sugar, baking powder, margarine, or you can also substitute margarine to butter, and then we also have room temperature milk and 3 eggs. So let's start the process of the making of the cake. The first step is that we're going to take our margarine and place it in a clean container, and remember that I've listed down below the ingredients and also the measurement. Also, another tip is that the margarine and the sugar should always be the same amount, and the flour should always be doubled up, okay? And if you don't have a hand mixer, please don't tense, just relax. By the way, I also never used to have a hand mixer. I was just blessed the other day. So if you don't have that, just use a wooden spoon or a mwiko, and then you just mix everything slowly, or a whisk, okay? And then after adding the eggs one by one, you take the dry ingredients, which are the flour, salt, and the baking powder, okay? And then after that, you sieve, because you want to incorporate air, okay? And then after that, you add in your milk. But guys, I have something to say. It's not always about us knowing that we should always add room temperature milk or water. No. If you see that you've added enough eggs, because before I've made cakes that never required me to add in milk or water. So as long as you know, like, the final result of the batter, by batter I mean BA, or the mixture, that is what is going to tell you whether you're going to add in any liquid, okay? And never add in hot liquid. You add in room temperature, not cold and not hot. So if you've removed your mixture from the fridge, let it stay out of the fridge for 10 minutes, and then it's good to use. Since you're making marble cake, this is also a key process. Always remember to always divide your batter. This is now where you're going to use your drinking chocolate or your cocoa powder now. And remember that the cocoa powder mixture is going to be less than the other white mixture, okay? Yeah, so you mix that very well to ensure that all the cocoa powder has spread well. And then guys, this is also a key step. If you have a baking tray, that is okay. And now, apart from the baking tray, for the cake not to stick, you either need a baking sheet, or you can also use baking spray. But if you don't have that, like don't run away. You can just use margarine or cooking oil. Imagine, you can always use even cooking oil. You use cooking oil, and you see the flour that you are using to bake, that one, you dust it. So you apply generous amount of cooking oil or margarine, and then you also remember to add in your flour. You dust and ensure that each and every part of the baking tin has gotten that. So this is going to help our cake not stick. And then you can just take a spoon or toothpick, and then you do whatever I'm doing. This is going to help in making the brown colors to come in bits, okay? So here I was just trying to show you that this cake was very moist, and it was very sweet. I wish that all of you guys could come and taste and have a taste of this. It was very, very sweet. So here I was cutting the cake. Yes, happy birthday to me, happy birthday to me. So here I was just cutting the cake anyway, and because I wanted to know. By the way, here I was just anxious. I didn't know whether, like, the patterns were okay or anything like that, and it was very, very hot. So you can always let your cake rest for about 5 minutes before cutting. So I let it rest, and then I cut it. Look at those patterns. Look at those patterns, guys. Look at that cake. It is very airy, and the cake was very, very sweet. I was so proud of myself, and the results were everything. I was so happy about the results. So if you've watched until this juncture, Thank you so much for your support. May God bless you so much. Kindly give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't, and you can always leave down below a sweet comment. I really appreciate you. Thank you for watching.